Welcome to the second lesson of linear equations. Today we are going to apply distributive law to solve some linear equations. But what is distributive law? Let's see. A times B plus C equals AB plus AC. So we bring in A, we multiply it by B and then by C. Let me give you an example. For example, 2 times x plus 7. 2 goes in and applies to both terms inside the bracket. So it becomes 2x plus 2 times 7, which is 14. Another example can be written as 3 times 2x minus 9. So 3 goes to the first term and it becomes 6x minus, then 3 times 9 is 27. So now that you are okay with distributive law, let's start the first equation. Not only the distributive law matters here, but also you need to be able to put together the like terms. Okay, so the first step is applying distributive law. 2x plus 6, and the second bracket is multiplied by 3, and you'll have 3x minus 21 equals 20. I'm pretty sure that you learned in the first lesson that we need to move all variables to one hand side and all numbers to other side of the equal sign. It doesn't matter which side, but well, we keep the variables at the left side. So 2x is already here, 3x is already here, 20 also is at the right side already. So now we are going to move 21 and 6 to the other side to get 5x equals, so 21 minus 6 is 15, and 20 plus 15 is 35. Let's divide both sides by 5 to get x equals 7. Let's have another example. 3x plus 5 minus 2 times x minus 1 equals negative 5x plus 11. By applying distributive law, we'll have 3x plus 15 minus 2x plus 2 equals negative 5x plus 11. So this is a mistake that nearly everybody makes if you write here negative. I'm going to make it blue. This is a common mistake. This is a mistake that nearly everybody makes. So they write here negative, but be careful. We are multiplying negative 2 times negative 1, and both are negative. Therefore, the sign should be positive, not negative. A lot of kids forget to multiply negative by negative here. Okay, let's continue. So 3x is already at the left side, negative 2x as well, plus 5x, 11 minus 15 minus 2. So 3x minus 2x is just x, and x plus 5x is 6x. So 11 minus 15 is negative 4. Negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6. Let's divide both sides by 6 to get x equals -1. Now, I'm going to share with you a very important technique to solve the linear equations. It's called cross multiplying. So cross multiplication. Okay, so if A over B equals C over D, then A times D equals B times C. It's not hard to understand this, this cross multiplying. For example, we know that 1/2 equals 3 over 6. Obviously, if you multiply the diagonal numbers, it means 1 times 6, it gives you 6. If you multiply another diagonal, which is 2 times 3, it also gives you 6. Let's have another obvious example, a trivial one. For example, we know that 2/6 equals 10 over 30. Now let's multiply this diagonal. So 2 times 30 gives you 60. Also, if you multiply another diagonal, it's going to be 6 times 10, which is exact same number, which is 60. Therefore, this equation is absolutely correct. You can give yourself a lot of examples. It's not proof, but it helps you to understand. Okay, so we're going to apply cross multiplying to solve this equation. X plus 7, x minus 5 equals 1/2. According to what you learn, if you multiply this diagonal, it becomes 2 bracket x plus 7. And then if you multiply the other diagonal, it's going to be 1 times x minus 5, and these two should be the same. So then let's apply distributive law. It's going to be 2x plus 14 equals x minus 5. By moving around the variables and the numbers which are not in the right spot, we'll have this. So x equals negative 19. And let's have another example. 2x plus 7 over 3 equals 5x minus 2 over 4. Okay. First we'll multiply these two numbers to get 4 bracket 2x plus 7 equals, and now the other two, which is 3 bracket 5x minus 2. So let's apply distributive law here. So it becomes 8x plus 28 equals 15x minus 6. In this example, I want to move variables to the right-hand side, because as I said before, it doesn't matter which side you move your variables or numbers. The only thing that matters here is that variables should be one hand side and numbers on the other hand side. So therefore, I'm going to move 8x to the right side and negative 6 to the left side to get 28 plus 6 equals 15x minus 8x. So 28 plus 6 is 34 equals 7x. And x is going to be 34 over 7 if you divide both sides by 7. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will go over the fractions, which are a little bit more complex. See you soon.